This is the engineering update for the sprint ending on August 17th, 2021. This sprint, we worked on GateFlow, forms and workflows, panic button, maps, plan management renewal, and a lot of miscellaneous tasks. For GateFlows, we worked on optimizing the query to speed up the application. We improved the logbook for visit request and fixed a very annoying random app refresh that was causing issues at Ciudad Morazan. We also encountered a translation bug, which caused Ciudad Morazan to use the get access in an unexpected way, and that has been fixed. For forms and workflows, we worked on business registration process by adding the ability to group form questions into categories, as well as the ability to generate pre-filled contracts. We wanted to work on contract amendment for categories and the ability to display categories based on the previous choice, but we didn't get to work on this, and that is slated for next sprint. For the panic button, we worked on the ability to send emergency SMS to a list of numbers and a panic button interface using the device dialer. We worked on plan management renewal as we built an entry screen to manage the yearly valuation by plan type. We wanted to work on adding an auto renewal flag and a category to plans, but we didn't get to work on that, as well as create plans for the newly entered valuation. For maps, we finally added a new property type called house, where we can actually track construction. In terms of miscellaneous items, we wanted to work on the ability to mark users as inactive. We didn't get to work on that, but we did work on translating property module to Spanish, as well as translating payments and discussion module to Spanish. We redesigned plan and payment list to a better mobile view experience. And we also made a date format change for payment CSV download, which was requested by Nkwashi. We faced a bunch of bugs on payment, including the ability to reuse a receipt number of a previously canceled payment, and payment validation errors were not displaying correctly. Next sprint, we want to work on task availability to site managers, including the ability to send SMS when a task is created. Custodian should see all the tasks, and the head of security should be alerted when a task is created, as well as the creation of a new type called site workers. For the GateFlow, we want to work on a scheduled visit and event management system. It will be the continuation of this sprint's effort on the business registration process with contract amendment per categories and the ability to display category based on a previous choice. For the panic button, we want the ability to send the GPS coordinate with links to maps in the SMS. And as part of the design effort, we want to create a management screen to manage emergencies. For plan management renewal, we want to add an auto renew flag and a category to plans, and being able to auto-create plans for the new valuation. So this sprint, we had 31 merge requests, which is 8% less than last sprint. We had 63 stories in this sprint, and we completed 41, and we had 22 left open. In terms of code coverage, this has not changed at 77.6%. We have a new member. His name is Bunny. Welcome, Bunny. One of the lowlights this sprint is that we didn't get to complete all the contract stories, as there were 2 stories left to be completed. We are struggling a bit in getting all the design ready for the following sprint, so the design have to be completed mid-sprint and creating tension within the team. In terms of goal versus actual, we are still a little bit below our goal in terms of code coverage. We have 31 merge requests and the goal was 26. We have now 93 known vulnerabilities and our goal is 10, and yeah, that's it. All right, thank you very much.